ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hi children, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, thank you. Me too fine. Welcome to 6th standard third language English Unit 5, The Story of the Coconut. This is continued lesson 5.2. Let's recall the previous session. Dear children, it's better to recalling the previous session to links to the today's session. Dear children, yesterday we already discussed that there's a tree, means coconut tree. Coconut tree can give us food to eat and sweet water to drink. Sweet water means a tender coconut water, and roof for the house. We can use the pillars of coconut tree for thatching the roof, and coconut tree can give us fuel for the kitchen. And coconut tree, we already discussed that coconut is the biggest nut of all the nuts, and also coconut tree can grow 25 meters tall. The normal height of a coconut tree is 25 meters, and coconut tree looks like a crown at the top. This is the matter what we discussed in the last session. Okay, dear children, yesterday I gave some questions for your homework. I hope you've done the homework and have come here. Please answer my questions. First question is, how tall does the coconut tree grow? Yesterday we already discussed about this. How tall does the coconut tree grow? The answer is, it grows about 25 meters tall. The normal height of a coconut tree is 25 meters tall. Yes. Question number 2. How is the top of a coconut tree look alike? How is the top of a coconut tree look alike? The answer is, the coconut tree looks like a crown. The coconut tree looks like a crown at the top. Okay, dear children, let's move on to the next step, that is glossary. We need to know all the meanings from the text, then only we can easily comprehend or understand the lesson very well. Without knowing the meanings or glossary, we cannot understand clearly. Okay, first meaning is shell. So what is the meaning of shell? Shell means the hard outer covering of something, especially nuts, eggs and some animals, is called shell. Next one, kernel. Second one is kernel. What is the meaning of kernel? Kernel means the white part inside the coconut shell. The white part inside the coconut shell is called kernel. You can see in the picture. In Kannada, kobbari. Third one, margarine. Third one, margarine. Please don't go by spelling. Please go by the sound or symbols. Margarine means an artificial butter. Margarine means an artificial butter. Next one, cosmetic. Cosmetics means substances that is put on your face or body that are intended to improve your appearance. That is called cosmetics. Next one, fifth one, fiber. What is the meaning of fiber? Fiber means any of thread-like parts that form plant or artificial material. Fiber means any of thread-like parts that form plant or artificial material, that is called fiber. You can see the fiber of the coconut in the picture. Sixth one, thatching or thatch. What is the meaning of thatch? Thatch means cover with straw or a similar material. Cover with straw or a similar material. Thatching the roof. Next one, seventh one, detergent. What is the meaning of detergent? Detergent means a chemical substance in the form of a powder or a liquid for removing dirt from clothes, dishes, etc. That is called detergent. Our soap included detergents. Okay, dear children, I hope you understood all the meanings. Let's move on to the next step, that is comprehension of text. Now I am going to explain a lesson. Please all of you open your textbook and see your textbook, and also be ready with your pen, pencil and notebook if you need it. And I would like to give one more instruction, that when I read a lesson, please put your fingers on the line in your textbook, and when I explain, please listen attentively. Shall I start? Okay, third stanza. The coconut is the most useful crop in the world. In the world, so many crops and so many trees are there. But the coconut is the most useful crop in the world because it has as many uses as the number of days in a year. It has as many uses. Most of the people and all the people using coconut and its product in 365 days of a year. The solid white inside the wooden shell is called kernel. Kernel means the solid white inside the wooden shell is called kernel. Kernel means kobari, white part. The milk gives us a tasty drink with rich nutrients. The milk gives us a tasty drink. Milk means a tender coconut water, elaniru, with rich nutrients. And then the dried kernel of the coconut gives us oil for our food and air. The dried kernel of the coconut or copra gives us oil for our food and air. We are using coconut oil for our hair and body and also our food. With the oil, we can also prepare margarine. With the coconut oil, we can also prepare margarine. Margarine means an artificial butter. And we can prepare soap, manufacture soap by using the coconut oil. And we can make candles by using the coconut oil. And we can make cosmetics or prepare cosmetics by using the coconut oil, and also detergents and many more other products we can prepare by using the coconut oil. By knowing this, coconut is the most useful crop and coconut oil is the best medicine for all kinds of skin diseases. Okay, dear children, next, fourth stanza. Not only oil or not only copra or kernel, the fiber surrounding the nut can be used to make ropes. In the outer part of the coconut shell, it has fiber surrounding the nut can be used to make ropes. By coconut fiber, we make ropes and mats, door mats and brushes. We can also prepare some brushes by using the coconut fiber and brooms, and also we can prepare some brooms for sweeping the floor, and it is also used in thatching houses and weaving baskets. We can use coconut feathers for thatching the houses, thatching for roofing the houses and weaving baskets, and we can also weave baskets from the coconut fiber. Okay, dear children, these are the uses of the coconut and its product like copra, coconut oil and fiber and shell, etc. Dear children, I hope you understood all the lesson and enjoyed my lesson. Now I am going to ask you few questions what you understood by my explanation. Okay, dear children, shall I ask you few questions? Okay, let's check your understanding. Question number 1. What is the most useful crop in the world? Now only we discussed that so many trees and so many crops available in the world. In those crops, what is the most useful crop in the world? Yes, right. The answer is coconut is the most useful crop in the world. Question number 2. What is kernel? What is kernel? Kernel means the white part inside the coconut shell is called kernel. The white part inside the coconut shell is called kernel. Next, question number 3. Which part of coconut give us oil? Which part of the coconut give us oil? Yes. The answer is the dried kernel of the coconut, I mean copra, gives us oil. Copra or kernel, the dried kernel of coconut means copra gives us oil. Next question. What are the products that are made by coconut? We can make many more products by using coconut or coconut oil and coconut products. What are the products we can make? Yes, the answer is the products of coconut are margarine. We can make margarine by using the coconut oil. We can make soap by using the coconut oil, and we can also make candles and cosmetics and detergents and many other products by using the coconut oil and its products. Okay, next question. How is the fiber of the coconut tree used? We can see the fiber outside the coconut shell. That fiber, how is the fiber of the coconut tree used? What are the uses of that fiber, coconut fiber? The answer is the fiber of the coconut tree is used for making ropes and making mats and making brushes and brooms sweeping for the floor, and many other products we can make. Like this, we can use the fiber of the coconut. Okay, dear children, you answered very well because you understood the lesson very well. Let's move on to the next step, that is homework. We always saying that homework is intended for your reinforcement of learning. Okay, write down please. Question number 1. Draw a picture of half a coconut shell and name the parts. Please listen carefully and note down or write down. Question number 1. Draw a picture of half a coconut shell and name the parts. Question number 2. Coconut oil is used for many purposes. Am I right? Once again, coconut oil is used for many purposes. List at least 5 of them. Okay. Next one, question number 3. Write a short paragraph on the uses of the coconut tree in 5 to 6 sentences. Please once again write down. Write a short paragraph on the uses of the coconut tree in 5 to 6 sentences. What are the uses of the coconut tree? Okay, dear children, please go to your home and read the lesson again and write answers by your own. Now let's move on to the next activity, that is vocabulary. Vocabulary plays an important role in reading and writing and speaking and listening also. That's why we need to know. The first activity is about find words in the text which means the same as the following and write. Okay, dear children, here are some blanks are there. They given first letter for your clue. By using those clues, we can fill in the blanks. We must find answers for those questions. Okay, shall we move? Okay. Option, question number 1A. Soft inner part of nut dash. First letter for clue is K. The answer is kernel. Soft inner part of nut is called kernel. B. Next. The dried kernel of the coconut dash. The dried kernel of the coconut is dash. The clue letter is C. Can you find the answer? The dried kernel of the coconut is called, yes, is called copra. C-O-P-R-A, copra. And next one, C. Butter made from animal or vegetable fat is called, once again listen to me carefully, butter made from animal or vegetable fat. The clue letter is M. This word begins with M. What is that? That is margarine. That is margarine. Okay, dear children. D. Next one. Only one and no more. Only one and no more. What is that? The clue letter is, yes, that is single. Only one and no more is called single. E. To come out of a seed. To come out from a seed. What is that? That is sprout. To come out from a seed is called sprout. Molake, mele. Okay, dear children, Let's move on to the next activity. This activity, second activity, is about spelling. That activity is, some letters are missing in each word. Some letters are missing in each word. Write EE or EA in each word to complete it. To complete it. Long EE or EA equals E. EE or EA is refers to long vowel sound E. Okay, dear children, here you are. For example, one has been done. Peel, E, long sound. Okay. First one, TR dash dash, yes. The answer is trees. Next one, T dash dash and CH, that is teach. Next one, PL dash dash and SE, that is please. EA, please. Once again, peel, E, trees, teach, please. Okay, dear children, next. SL dash dash and P, that is sleep, that is sleep. Next one, next one, T dash dash SE, that is tease, tease. Next one, BEN dash dash TH, that is beneath, that is beneath. Next one, BR dash dash ZE, that is breeze, that is breeze. Once again, dear children, sleep, tease, beneath and breeze. Okay, dear children, now we already discussed about long vowel sound, that is E. Now we are going to discuss about short sound, that is E. That is E. First one, FILL, pill. You can see the sound first on the in the yellow color, short sound E. Pill, E. Slip, E. A bridge, E. In, E. Pin, E. Sin. Dear children, these are all short vowel sound, that is E. Pill, slip, bridge, in, pin. Okay, dear children, I hope you understood all the two sounds, like long vowel sound E and short vowel sound E, and also lesson. Dear children, once again, have a great day. Thank you. This is Parashuram K. Bavi from GHPS Alebandi Arlapur, Koppal Taluk and Koppal district. See you next time.
ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.